Hey guys, so for today's 12 days of tutorials, I created this eyeshadow look with the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. So under my Huda Beauty category, Mercury Retrograde actually won and Naughty Nude got second, but I've done 4 videos with Mercury Retrograde and only 2 videos with Naughty Nude, so I decided to use Naughty Nude today. And if you were to ask me out of these 2 palettes which one I like better, just overall I like Naughty Nude better, so that's what we went with today. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, it has been months since I've used this palette, so let's dig into this. I swatched a couple shades to kind of get an idea of what I want to do today. I'm going to start with Filthy on a Sigma E25, and I'm going to run that in my crease as my transition shade. Now I'm going to take the shade Passion on a Sigma E58. I'm going to try this with my brush dry at first, and I'm applying the shade all over my lid. This is one of those cool shades that has like a really pretty shift to it, so it's almost kind of like a bluish pink with like a little bit of purple. It's very pretty. Then I'm gonna go back to my E25 and just blend in the crease to kind of soften out this shimmer. I'm also gonna add a little bit of Passion to this brush and just run that in the crease. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Shameless on the E58, and I want this shade like right in the center of my lid. Just a little bit of it. Okay, I like how that looks. I added like a little more sparkle to the center of the lid. That's super pretty. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Untamed on the tip of a Sigma E57, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take more Filthy on this brush, and I'm going to use that to soften out the Untamed shade. And then I'm going to add just a little bit more Untamed to the outer corner of my eye, just to add some depth. Now I'm going to take Flower Power on a Sigma L04, and I'm going to use that to highlight. Alright, now I'm going to go pop on some mascara and lashes. Alright, my lashes are on, and for my lashes, I'm wearing my brand The Bright Lashes in the style Adorn. And here's the final look. I love how soft and pretty this turned out with like the blue, purpley, and a little bit of a pink tone in there. I did want to point it out though, if you were sad that I didn't use Mercury Retrograde today, I think you could get a kind of similar look with the Mercury Retrograde palette. So from this palette, I would use Libra as kind of like the crease transition shade. And then for the lid shade, I would use maybe one of these two or like a mix of them. And then for that deeper kind of purpley plum shade I have on, I would use Hot Mess and maybe mix it with a little bit of this one. So you wouldn't get this exact look, especially because the Passion shade from Naughty Nude is like so unique, but you could get something kind of similar. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.